Repeat after me. Nostalgia, nostalgia, nostalgia. Meaning, nostalgia is a sentimental longing or affection for the past, often for a happy memory or experience. In a sentence, looking through old photo albums filled her with nostalgia for her childhood days. Here, nostalgia refers to her fond memories of the past. Let's try another example. The classic songs on the radio brought a wave of nostalgia to everyone in the room. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using nostalgia. Synonyms. Some related terms for nostalgia are sentimentality, excessive tenderness or affection for the past; reminiscence, the act of recalling past experiences. Antonyms. The opposite of nostalgia would be indifference, lack of interest or feeling toward the past; forgetfulness, the inability to remember or care about past events. Part of speech. Nostalgia is a noun referring to a longing or wistful affection for the past. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.